There's something that's really beautiful about these very simplistic historic ways of building that I feel like give you a real sense of pride and accomplishment when you're finished. They're just really beautiful and full of stories of the carpenters that built them. I'm Brian Snedeker, and I'm the lead instructor for the Wild Abundance Timber Frame Workshop. The class will be hosted here in Barnardsville, North Carolina. Something that's unique about my workshop is it is a timber frame building, so you get to actually see what a timber frame can look like. It's a nice way to be able to reference things in the frame that you're actually working on. You know, when we're making pegs, we can come over and be like, this is how they're going to hold the mortise and tenon together. This is a housing where the brace houses into the larger timber that it goes into. If you look around the building, none of the timbers are the same. These are cherry, these are pine. These cross members up here are spruce, walnut also. These poplar braces came from my property. So there is some really unique ways of tying in a deeper story inside of the building. In contrast to conventional building methods, timber framing really kind of causes you to slow down the process, both in design and construction, to be more intentional about how the space is going to feel when you're inside of it. Being in a timber frame building creates a sense of comfort, a sense of ease and warmth. There's some natural elements and everything's not square and flat. Timber frame buildings are incredibly durable and long-lasting. It also is a very versatile building method for creating wide open spaces. There's lots of different methods of timber framing, but what we teach in the workshop is square rule. Square rule timber framing is an incredibly simple and smart way of joining heavy timber together. The building behind us is very large, but the method of joining everything, whether it's big or small, it's all the same. Everything that you would learn at our timber frame class, even though it's small, would give you a good idea of how to build something larger. You'll learn how to use the framing square to lay out angles and squares. You'll learn to use power tools and hand tools, and you'll learn an efficient way of putting together buildings using mortise and tenon joinery. It's a unique craft that captures some real tradition, and so we really enjoy trying to keep that alive. The class is very hands-on. It's a little intimidating at first, but it's a very laid-back environment. There's a lot to learn. Hope you come join us. It's going to be a lot of fun.